MI6 operative James Bond gains promotion to 00 agent status by assassinating two targets: traitorous section chief Dryden at the British Embassy in Prague and his contact Fisher in Uganda. The mysterious Mr. White introduces Stephen Obono, a high-ranking member of the Lord's Resistance Army, Talashifa, an Albanian private banker, to terrorists. Obono entrusts Lashifa with a large sum of money to invest. Lashifa subsequently buys put options on aerospace manufacturer Skyfleet, betting on the company's failure given his insider knowledge of a terrorist attack in Madagascar. Bond pursues bomb maker Malacca to an embassy, killing him and blowing up the building in London. MI6 chief M admonishes Bond for causing an international incident and ignoring her orders to capture Malacca alive. Clues point to corrupt Greek official Alex Dimitrios, whom Bond finds in the Bahamas after winning his 1964 Aston Martin DB5 in a poker game and seducing his wife Solange. Bond pursues Dimitrios to Miami and kills him. Bond then thwarts the destruction of Skyfleet's prototype airliner, costing Lashifa his entire investment, approximately $100 million in total. Due to Dimitrios's failure to carry out the attack, his wife Solange is subsequently tortured and killed to recoup his client's lost money. Lashifa organizes a high-stakes Texas Hold'em tournament at the Casino Royale in Montenegro. MI6 enters Bond in the tournament, believing a defeat will force Lashifa to seek asylum with the British government in exchange for information on his clients. Bond is paired with Vesper Linda, British Treasury agent, protecting the $10 million buy-in. During their train ride, they assess and make insightful guesses about each other. In Montenegro, they meet their contact Renee Mathis. Bond seems to gain the upper hand, deducing the shifters tell Obono ambushes Lashifa but allows him to continue playing to win back the money. Obono's bodyguard spots Bond and Vesper, but Bond kills him and Obono both. After comforting a traumatized Vesper, Bond loses his stake because Lashifa has been tipped off about his own tell. Vesper refuses to cover the $5 million rebuy, but fellow player Felix Leader, a CIA agent, agrees to stake Bond enough money to continue in exchange for taking the Shifra into American custody. Lashifa's lover Valenka poisons Bond's martini, retrieving an antidote and defibrillator from his Aston Martin DBS V12. Bond passes out, but Vesper rescues him. Bond returns to the game, which culminates in a $115 million hand that Bond wins with a straight flush, apparently tipped off by Mathis. Lashifa kidnaps Vesper and uses her to trap Bond. Lashifa brings the captives to an abandoned ship and tortures Bond to reveal the account number and password to the winnings, but Bond refuses. Mr. White bursts in and kills Lashifa as punishment for betraying the trust of his organization by gambling with their money, leaving Bond and Vesper alive. Bond awakens in an MI6 hospital and has Mathis arrested as a traitor after transferring the winnings. Bond spends time recovering with Vesper at his side and the two fall in love. He resigns from MI6 and they run away to Venice. When M reveals the money was never deposited, Bond realizes Vesper has betrayed him. He follows her to a handoff of the money where gunmen take her captive. As soon as they spot him, Bond shoots the building's flotation devices, causing the foundation to sink into the Grand Canal. He kills the gunman, but Vesper is imprisoned in an elevator, plunging into the rising water. She drowns after deliberately locking herself inside the elevator to prevent Bond from rescuing her. He recovers her body but is too late to revive her. Mr. White escapes with the money. M informs Bond the organization behind Lashifa threatened to kill Vesper's lover unless she became a double agent. When Bond coldly renounces Vesper as a traitor, M deduces that she likely made a deal later with White, trading the money for Bond's life. Bond returns to service, realizing Vesper left her phone to help him. He checks the contacts and locates Mr. White at an estate in Lake Como, shooting him in the leg. 007 introduces himself. The name's Bond, James Bond.